Hey, it's Dave Medendorp here. A lot of times people ask me about their septic system and how to maintain it. And a septic system is when you don't have city sewer and you're usually in the country. And the best way to maintain it is to pump it on a regular basis. Depending on your family size, every 2 to 4 years, and have a pump service come pump it out, and then give you at least a verbal report on it when you're there. Other than that, that's the main thing you can do. And if you're a normal functioning home with washer, dryer, or washer and taking showers, using the bathrooms, everything should work great. Everything basically decomposes over time, and the system will last for many, many years. I've seen them 50 years old, still working. So if you have any other questions, call your local septic pumper or feel free to give me a call and I'll give you some input. Thank you.